Hi there, welcome to our channel. So Xiaomi officially unveiled the flagship Mi 11 in China last month, or should I say last year. Well, it doesn't matter, what matters is that there are some leaks regarding the Pro variant of Mi 11. If you are unaware, Xiaomi only launched the regular Mi 11 and not the Pro variant. And although the Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro release date is unknown, renowned tipster Digital Chat Station has hinted that the Pro model will be launched after the Chinese Spring Festival. And as per Gizmo China, that's around mid-February. So now that you have a rough idea when it's gonna launch, let's take a look at the leaked specs. The Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro will likely have several similarities with the vanilla Mi 11, but with few upgrades. And according to rumors, one of the similarities will be the display. It's expected to get the exact screen that the Mi 11 has, with its 6.81-inch size, curved screen, 1440 by 3200 pixel resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, 480Hz touch sampling rate, and 1500 nits of peak brightness. And do remember that Xiaomi Mi 11 has an excellent panel. It got a final score of A+ in the review of DisplayMate. The display has close to perfect calibration when running in sRGB or DCI-P3 modes. It has perfect 100% coverage of those color gamuts in the respective modes, so we don't mind seeing this display on the Pro variant as well. The only difference, if any, will be the number of front cameras. Now if we go on to the rear side of the phone, you will notice a refreshed rear camera design, and it has an additional lens compared to vanilla Mi 11. One of the sensors seems to be a periscope lens with 120x digital zoom, just like the Mi 10 Ultra. Now how good will that be is something we will know only after the actual release of the phone. However, to give you some perspective, the 120x zoom on the Mi 10 Ultra isn't that good. Maybe there are some upgrades, but only time will tell. Other sensors are ultra-wide, 2x or 3x telephoto, and the same 108 megapixel sensor as the one found on the Mi 11. And since Mi 11 has Snapdragon 888 chipset, we can expect the same chipset to power the Pro variant as well. That is pretty much everything that's leaked and rumored. There's no detail on battery or charging speeds, but expect an upgrade in this department too. So that is all for today. Hope to catch you in the next one. Peace out.